Hospitals in Ohio continue to see relief from the Omicron surge as new cases and the number of patients seeking medical care continue to fall. However, vaccination numbers across the state are once again slowing. We are joined tonight live by Sean Savage, a financial advisor, but for the purposes of this interview, Sean is the creator of the VProject. Thanks so much for joining us. And we'll get to the project's accomplishments in just a minute, Sean. But first, we understand you recently tested positive for COVID-19. How are you feeling now, and explain what your experience was like?
Yeah, I had a mild case of COVID earlier this month, and I'm a runner. So during my 10 days in isolation, I did run every day, averaging over 6 miles a day. So I logged over 60 miles during that period, and kept my regular work schedule virtual and my not-for-profit work, including the VProject. And so I was very fortunate. Never had a fever, never had a sore throat. I had cold-like symptoms, and that was the extent of it.
And you are vaccinated. You are the founder of the VProject. This is organized as a way to dispel information and encourage a vaccination among people here in our area, specifically in Lucas and Wood counties. It's been over a year since the creation. Obviously, this is something that you've believed in from the start. Explain the successes that you guys have seen in our area with the VProject.
Well, first of all, I will say I believe strongly being fully vaccinated with the booster helped me tremendously, and I'm so thankful for the vaccines. I also, I pray every day for those that who are ill from this, or families who have lost someone from this disease. In terms of the VProject, we've had some really nice milestones. In fact, as of this moment today, 69.97% of all adults in Lucas County are vaccinated. Wood County is at 70.98% of adults, so 18 and over. So by tomorrow, both Lucas and Wood County will be over 70% vaccinated of the adults. So for us, this is, it's great news, and we're very encouraged by it. And the VProject, we're so tied to the medical community as well. So we have hundreds of supporting physicians, and we work with ProMedica and Mercy Health and Toledo Clinic and McLaren St. Luke's and Wood County Hospital, and also NHA and UTMC. So, we believe in the science. We have the scientists, the physicians that we're connected with, and we encourage anybody that's still not vaccinated, talk to your doctor. That's critical.
And to your point on the severity of the symptoms, I was just out in the community this weekend, talked to some people who actually did not get vaccinated, then were hospitalized, and their message now is to get vaccinated. So to that point, what is next for the VProject? What else can be done, should be done, to get people who've refused to get the vaccine to reconsider?
Yeah, so we're working right now closely with all the major medical institutions in the community. And we do have a campaign that started. There was a full page Blade ad a week ago Sunday. We have PSAs that are being circulated. There'll be more visibility on those in the coming days. And it's all about help us help you is the theme. And it's the hospitals basically saying that you can help us with everything that we've been going through by being vaccinated and hopefully being able to stay out of the hospital. And so that's critical. And for the kids, for people that have children, and I know children generally do very well with COVID, but we do have 103 pediatric providers in our community who have signed off endorsing the vaccine for children. So once again, I would encourage all those families and parents, ask your pediatrician. I know what the answer is, but please ask them about the vaccine. And then go to vproject.org we have an abundance of information and data.
Sean Savage, founder of the VProject, thanks so much for your community service and for being here with us tonight. We appreciate it. There are plenty of opportunities to get the COVID vaccine here in Lucas County. Tomorrow and Friday, the health department is hosting clinics. Those run from 9 until 3:30. Plus, Saturday, adults and kids can get vaccinated at the rec center from 9 until 1.